QSSI and its family of brands has now expanded by adding 4 new fixtures for 3 main market sectors: food and beverage processing, manufacturing and distribution environments, and livestock farming. These new products are UL listed as well as DLC premium listed with performance that exceeds DLC's standard requirements. All 4 of these new fixtures are NSF certified for the food and beverage processing and packaging sectors. They also have USDA certifications and IEC ingress protection rating certifications. QSSI and its family of brands strives on customer satisfaction. Each of our products are designed and manufactured at the highest level of quality to ensure a bulletproof product that supports our many certifications. Our 4 new products consist of our Nova LED High Bay, suitable for the harsh environments found in food processing and heavy manufacturing facilities. This fixture is available in multiple wattages, voltages, and color temperatures ranging from 18,000 to 39,000 lumens. The Nova is NSF and IP67 rated for use in environments with temperatures ranging from -40 degrees up to 149 degrees Fahrenheit. Our Ultra High Bay fixture has an IP66 dust-tight waterproof rating and is NSF splash zone listed. It is available in multiple wattages with a range of 16,000 to 24,000 lumens. This fixture is a sure fit for the harsh daily washdown, high pressure water and chemical environments of food and beverage and livestock processing, or anywhere where water and chemicals come into play. Our Aurora Linear High Bay is designed for the harsh environments found in heavy industrial manufacturing, cold storage, warehouse, and distribution facilities. It is IP66 waterproof and dustproof rated and can operate in extreme temperature ranges. Available in 2 and 4 foot lengths with a range of 15,000 to 62,000 lumens. And lastly, our Poseidon is a sealed linear LED fixture available in 4 and 8 foot lengths with multiple wattage options ranging from 7,500 to 20,000 lumens. The polycarbonate lens is impact resistant. The end caps are aluminum alloy with an electrostatically applied powder coat finish. The Poseidon is designed for environments that are cleaned and sanitized using high pressure and high temperature chemical cleansers. To learn more about these exciting new products, visit us on the web for more information.